interior, air, tilt, cruise, power windows, power locks. It's got the steering wheel controls. Interior is very, very nice. Back seat's the same way. Super clean. Got an aftermarket Sony Bluetooth capable stereo. Got both key fobs and one extra key. Got a JL audio amplifier. I'm sure it's got some subs in there as well. It's got a couple built back in behind there, I do believe. I didn't take the back seat down to look, but factory floor mats are in here. Nice car cover. Borla exhaust. I think them are JNC wheels. It's got Nitto tires on it, sticky tires on it. There she is, Procharger. It's got a Atomic Air Force intake, MSE coils, long tube headers. Just a super, super clean 23,000 mile car. And it sounds great. It runs great. We'll take it for a spin here quick. Super, super cool car. It's a stereo. 23,659 miles. Bright headlight indicator. Turn signals. Let's see. See if it'll tune us in a station. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You like that music? Sounds good. Let's keep it on too long and then I gotta get copyrights. thing is it's a lot of fun to drive. Those sticky tires, they just get it. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Beautiful GTO, 23,000 miles. And it runs. Give us a call again, 563